quickly going through the actions for today. Number one, never let your numbers, power, authority, skills, or capability make you overconfident and you started rely on them. You have to always stay humble and seek Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy and help. So this action came in the context of Battle of Hunain, when Muslims were in a large number and they were the non-Muslims who started, the disbelievers started to attack from a high mountain and they started to shower the arrows. And while in high numbers, Muslims were confident they could defeat. However, there was chaotic situation, and eventually Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made Muslims collect with the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who himself lifted the flag. So the situation was turned. However, there was a situation that was established while it was not the expectation, because Muslims are thinking, we are strong, we are big in number. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, never let your numbers make you overconfident. So even this is true for us today. We have authority, we have skills, we have capability, we have qualification, and we think, we can do everything and I can achieve this on my own. I am a self-made person and I have this much qualification and all of this. So I think the reliance that we need to have is on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we need to stay humble while trying our best, which obviously we have been asked to do. Number two, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says He provides prosperity, not the disbelievers. At that point in time, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asked the Masjid al-Haram to be purified from disbelievers, meaning throw them away, push them out, if they don't go, then kill them. So basically, this was also seen as, so there were so many caravans and trade used to happen because of the multiple idols and multiple gods that were there. So if the mushriks or the disbelievers are turned out, then how will the trade and prosperity come? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, prosperity comes from His side, not the disbelievers. So we have to trust only in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be prosperous as individuals, as well as collectively as societies and nations and all. We cannot really rely too much on the disbelievers or some we believe that developed nations and they're the ones who can help them and all of this. No, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala helps us. We will try our best. Yes, you can have all the relationships and networks and business relationships and agreements with them. However, reliance should always be with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Number three, never follow any person or institution or group blindly. Always refer back to guidance in Holy Quran and Hadith and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This came in the context when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the rabbis and the monks, and the Jews and the Christians started believing them even more than the true guidance, and they almost started worshipping them. So here today, the lesson for us is that there are, even within Muslims, there are some scholars, there are some, the Maulvis or the peers, especially in the part of the subcontinent, that can misguide you because of their own vested interest. So we have to make sure that we always verify information, and we have the Holy Quran and the Sunnah and Hadith of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and there should be strong references to actions and guidance that we want to follow. And finally, hoarding wealth while Muslims are in need is not an option. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly said, and there is a severe punishment for those people who hoard wealth in the hereafter. So if you have surplus wealth, if you have extra money or help, you can help people individually, as well as you can help in the overall cause of Islam. There can be institutions, there can be governments who are doing good things for the cause of Islam. Definitely they should also be helped. So this marks the end of today's lesson. Are there any questions, any comments before I close today's class? No. Okay. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are pure from imperfection and all praise is due to you. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship besides you. I seek forgiveness from you and return to you with your full obedience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers. InshaAllah, I will see you next week, same time.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.